Bye, have a great time.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. I have a skateboard because I don't want to walk all around this place. We'll start off with what are we doing in this video? We will be breaking down some Amazon medium pallets, seeing the value, going off on how you can make some cash with them. All right, we'll start off with medium, but I forgot my knife, so I'll go get a knife.
Nice find, the place to find something nice every time.
We'll crack open this, see what's in there, maybe get some MSRP prices out, tell you maybe this is gonna sell quicker than this item and stuff like that. Let's see what's in there, right? So we'll start cracking it. Not gonna be very clean or organized on this as I usually am, but for the video's sake, we just kind of want to see what's in it, right? So we get that off. Put these hoods on, I don't know, maybe they leave them outside or they don't want to get like dust on them. So we'll start off with the top thing. What is this? E-Mart? I have no idea. There isn't too much details on it of what's in here. Fragile, handle with care. Let's crack it open real quick. I don't think this is gonna be a crazy, oh, let's see. I think this is something you could use, Conrad.
Absolutely.
Just for my assumptions. Yeah, it's a blue screen, right? Oh, and a green screen. So I don't know the value on that. I'll have to look it up. But we have a cameraman. So cameraman, how much would this be? And it comes with like light poles and everything.
Dude, I'd say that's about like 40 bucks at least.
40. I was gonna
50, maybe more.
I was gonna say closer to the 100 range, but not on that one. Cause dude, it's there wasn't no like UPC codes. So this is like a steamer. The best steamers in the world, I guess. This is actually, I've seen this a bunch of times. These retail for, well, I guess we gotta look this one up. See, steamer. So I found this, 90 bucks actually retail, but it's on sale. But look at these stickers though. What happened here though? Tampered evidence. Is this something that's been stolen?
Tamper evident.
Tamper evidence. I'm reading it upside down, okay? All right, next item. Damn, this thing is packed. This is like a comforter, 20 bucks maybe.
Whee!
A watch winder. Ooh, kind of big. Where's the good stuff? Where's the good stuff? I have no idea what this is. Oh, this was to that, and I think this is for like a ping pong table. Portable ping pong table, or just the net at this point. Dude, we have these weird dolls. There's literally 10 weird dolls in here. All right, let's crack this open. Should I just crack the whole thing?
Yeah.
All right. So we have all of this stuff. Oh, there's a nice description of that. I call that 60, 70 bucks. Kitchen sink faucet. So if you have a priced out store, this would be a great thing. Like even these dolls, right? You could price them out at 5 bucks. Oh, if it goes, it goes. You could price them out at 5 bucks, you know, and there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them in here right now. Some more fixtures, price it out for like 20 bucks. This isn't one of the juiciest pallets, but it is packed. So let's say if you pay 500 bucks for this, I say you have a decent amount of stuff in here to actually price out. What's in the black bag? What's in the black bag? Yeah, tripod. But it's brand new though. That's probably the best thing about it. We have a little desk. Whoa.
Vase, vase.
This is vase. So let me wrap this much. This must be valuable. It's nice, it's nice. It might even be like handmade. Struggling. There, all for that. I don't know, it looks nice. I don't know if it's handmade though. I think it's just looks like it's handmade. All right, on to the next thing in here.
Definitely hand painted.
So this is like, you lay this down on the grass to maintain, it's like fabric for outdoors. Landscape fabric, pro grade. Let's see, there's a barcode or a UPC, 50 bucks. Not bad. I guess a lot of people do like to work on their garden.
DIY garden stuff.
Yeah. Oh, summertime, inflatable pool, that would be a quick sell. What else? Oh my God, all these dolls. Oh look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have 14 of these lights. So we got to look up how much these are. If we have 14 of something, we could always wholesale them to somebody. Let's see if we could find the exact brand or the exact ones. No, have to do more digging on this one. What else do we have in here? We have like a heavy duty roller for like people that have trouble walking. They could just roll around with it. A lot of light fixtures in here. There's 15 of those. And then there's like 3 random ones too. But it's majority of this stuff and then all the rest of this. So there's not too much variety. If you have a priced out store, it would be nice to have, because then you have multiples of like 5 or 6 things. Then you're just pricing one thing out or doing research on pricing and then figuring out what price you want to sell at instead of having 100 different items in here and having to price out everything by one, right? So then you're doing less work if you have multiples of stuff, but variety is always good. All right, so we'll move on to another mediums pallet. We'll finish this one up real quick, but I think it's gonna be the same stuff, light fixtures and stuff like that. So we'll grab a new one. Oh, watch out. So let me put this away. Somebody was unloading it and it tipped over when we were coming off the truck. From the truck onto the dock, it tipped over and we had to put it back together. Yeah, but everything's there that we bought. All right, let's get back to our recording studio, I guess. Connor is making a studio here, but he locked himself out of it. Connor locked the door and we don't have the keys to the door, so this is how we're gonna get in there.
Oh! It's a face of sheer determination, YouTube.
Wear your goggles, man.
Hold on, let me get a better one.
Dude, before you up another thumb.
Little finger, it's still growing back. 1 month later. It's not happening. I want to kick it, but then I'm definitely gonna hurt myself. Oh, that's not gonna work.
This isn't gonna work.
It's an impact, bro.
No, this is a drill.
No chance.
Yeah, this is a drill.
Drill.
That one was better. That one was much better. That one was just making progress. This one is.
Dude, get the hammer and just knock it out.
This is what happens when you don't have proper tools. Like a schmuck. I feel very not manly. This isn't our first rodeo, right? Right? You had to open this one.
That's one.
And this one.
2.
So, yeah, we've done this before. We're not complete amateurs. It's just we had better tools last time. There it fucking is. Never mind. We're in. Future YouTube studio. Oh, I found some acoustic panels actually.
Oh, really? Nice.
Not too big, not too shabby though either. God, there's all our equipment.
What's Keiki gonna do?
You guys opened it? Wow. With the hammer? I told you with the hammer. He did tell us. You are right. He's correct. Yeah, drop a comment below if you guys have any decor suggestions, because this is still in the build-out phase. We got some wood there, some lights.
Oh, you guys got in here?
Holy shit! I was not expecting that one. With the hammer to it.
Alright. This would work. not a bad transition. The first one we seen, it was packed with a bunch of stuff.
So what are these mediums?
Yeah, same thing, Amazon mediums, and see, oh, so a lot of brown long boxes. Hold on, we're gonna have to flip it real quick. This is like some fence netting for gardening, but there's a barcode, so let's see. Whoa, what size is this, 100? 70 bucks.
Did it get you tingling?
Not yet. I don't know if this one's gonna get me tingling, but you never know. You gotta open every brown box, because there's no color in this, right? And the last one we had color, and there was some decent stuff on there.
It's another 70 bucks. Hi, Brian.
Hi.
That was so animated. That was awesome. Hi.
Hi.
Or no, it's not. Do we take it apart? I want to know what it is. Oh, it's a tent.
Like a fly net.
Yeah. Conrad's homeless and he complains about how there's so many bugs outside. Yeah, I don't know how much this is worth, but it definitely seems useful. Just put 50 bucks. Because it's kind of a niche product, I guess. But you know what I hate the most about these items? Getting a bag in the bag. Back in the bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be tough. We'll save it for later. Let's see what we got in here. More rolls of things. Oh, there's a UPC. Let's see what it is.
Oh, this is like that fencing.
Yeah.
Construction.
Dude, my forearm's about to die. 50 bucks. It's on sale though for 40 right now. So that was 100. We said 50 for the net and then 50 for that. So we're getting there, we're getting there. Oh, this is heavy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this one?
Not as much because there's not a lot of color, but we gotta go through all these brown boxes. Yeah, we gotta go through all these Amazon medium pallets to find something good. Oh, this is like a little foldable picnic table. It's heavy. Not bad. There's a UPC. Let's see how much it is. 5-piece. 150 bucks. Not bad. Bye, Brian. Brian's leaving.
Bye, Brian.
Some color in this one. Some.
Nice packaging, quality packaging.
Oh, a tower fan. I was about to say towel. Let's see if this Amazon medium pallet is worth it. I'm already seeing that it is, so can't get too bad. It's on sale for 70 bucks. So I think right here we have, let's count. So 150 for the table, fan is 70, that was 100, the net was 50, the thing for $2, and then the other net was for 100. So 1, 2, 3. We need 30 more bucks to make 500. 30 more bucks to make 500. So, and then we have, these are all big items. This, I'm not even sure what it is. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy.
I say we just open all the boxes, KK. What do you think?
Sure, Conrad. It's Saturday, it's warm outside. Oh, this is a mattress. Let's say 200 bucks for the mattress. I think that's a decent price. We'll go straight in the Gaylord. Another table.
Polo headboard. Oh, so like.
So you have a mattress, now you have a headboard. What else do you need? A frame. 20 bucks that there's a frame underneath this box. Oh, let's get this thing out.
Let's see who's buying drinks. My money says it's KK.
My money says it's Conrad. I think this is a bed. No, it's a chair. A zero gravity chair. Oh, we could put 50 bucks for a zero gravity chair.
Do you know what a zero gravity chair is?
Do you? I think this is the cage. But the chair, it just means that it's like healthy for you or something. I don't know, guys. Trust me, my brain comes mush after looking at all these items every week. And this is a dog cage. Yeah, there's no headboard. Dog cage. We could do 50 bucks. Throwing 50s out here, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close. Definitely worth the value. I'm thinking there's over $2,000 in MSRP price. $2,000. We didn't scan this stuff. I'm not sure how much the bed is. I think it's a queen size mattress. The cage could be 150 bucks. You don't know. This one wasn't as neat, but you never know what's inside those brown boxes. You could get 4 items that are killed, where they're 300 bucks each. But other than that, yeah, we get a lot of these Amazon mediums. Amazon mediums are good for priced out stores. Amazon mediums are even good for bin stores, right? When we had the bin store, we like to always mix in like 3-4 Amazon medium pallets into the bins. Those items go on $7 days. People were loving the Amazon medium pallets on Friday and Saturdays, because that's when we threw out a couple, maybe 2 to 3 on Friday, and then same thing, 2 to 3 on Saturday for our restock. And yeah, it got people in the door and people got some great items for great value. And it got us to experiment with these kind of loads too. Yeah, Amazon mediums, you have to know how to use them to make your cash correctly. I showed you guys what an Amazon medium pallet is, and now I have to clean this mess up. Usually we have a system for this, but you guys wanted a video, we kind of just laid it out. Connor's like, yo, I'm here, let's make a video, KK. I'm like, you're buying drinks after. And then he's like, we'll see. Like, comment, subscribe, and slide into our DMs for questions. That's it.